I want to use the Golf the weekend a little. I'm going to change out these mags, so yes, stay tuned and see. I quickly washed the Citroen and the Golf, it's now clean, so let's go. Let's quickly get some money into Citroen and go to the shop. Here is the wheel reveal, what do you guys think? It's basically Easter and I decided to change the mags on the Golf and give it a wash. So yes, the problem that I had on the Golf, it was the mechanical fuel pump. I replaced it with a cheap fuel pump. So what I'm going to do, I will go by Golfwagen a quality fuel pump and so on, and give it a major service. And then also I need to buy quality press buttons, like you guys can see. Oh